Hello friends, in this video lecture we will discuss about infertility. This is incapability to conceive or produce children even after 2 years of consecutive unprotected sexual cohabitation or sexual intercourse. Infertility is also equal to relative sterility. What is relative sterility? Before this, we have to deal with sterility. Sterility is about complete inability to produce offsprings. Here, there is no chances for a couple to produce offsprings. Why? Because their sexual organs are no more functional and they can never be treated anyhow. While in case of infertility, their sex organs are partially non-functional and by the treatment, this can be improved for an individual couple to produce offsprings. A large number of couples all over the world, including India, are infertile. Because of advancement of medical science, there is a number of technologies, a number of techniques by which infertile couple may converted into fertile couple. Earlier, infertility was considered as a curse, but nowadays there is no such type of situations. Now we have to deal what are the reasons behind infertility. So there may be physical reasons, there may be congenital disease that are diseased which present in both male and female at the time of birth. A particular individual from a couple or both may be addicted or habitual for drugs. This may also increase infertility. There may be immunological reasons. In case of immunological reasons, this is a type of autoimmune response. Autoimmune response is a particular condition in which individuals' own body cells are treated like foreign cells or invading cells, and then they are getting killed by their own antibodies. For example, in case of testicular cancer in human male, there may be production of huge amount of anti-sperm antibodies and they will cause killing of their own sperm. So sperm count reduces and male will become infertile. Same conditions may also be for female. There may also be psychological reasons. So in psychological reasons, there may be fear, anxiety, guilt at the time of sex, and that's why there is infertility. Sometimes there may be deficiency of vitamin E, that is also known as anti-sterility vitamin. There may also be deficiency of few minerals like manganese. So all these reasons may be responsible for infertility. In India, females are most probably blamed for a couple being childless, but most of the time the problem lies in male partner. We can see such type of situations very frequently nearby to us. So we have to just make the people aware about infertility and how they can solve these kind of problems. Now, reasons for male infertility. So there are a number of reasons that is responsible for infertility in male. First, azoospermia. A means absent. So in case of human male, there may be no or very low count of motile sperm. If motility of sperm is not vigorous, they cannot reach up to ovum in fallopian tube at the region of fertilization, that is ampullary region. So this may also leads to infertility. Oligospermia. There may be reduced sperm count or sperm number in their semen or in a particular male semen will be very less. Absolute impotency. Here there may be absence of penis in that particular male. Cryptorchidism. That is very important. Cryptos means hidden. As we earlier know from human reproductive system, in case of human male, their gonads are extra abdominal in nature. Gonads means here testes. So testes are extra abdominal in nature because body temperature is not supportive for spermatogenesis, that is sperm production process. That's why testis descends out in scrotal sac at the time of embryonic development. While in case of female, their gonads, that is ovary, they are intra-abdominal in nature, means their oogenesis completed at the body temperature. So when testis descends out from the body in scrotal sac, there will be reduction of 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius in testis temperature, and that's why there will be spermatogenesis. There may be psychogenic causes, as we earlier discussed. There may be some psychological problems that may be responsible for infertility, like during sex there may be fear, anxiety or guilt sense of sexual act. So this may also leads to infertility. There may be some local diseases in human male as hydrocele, problems related with reproductive tracts. So all these problems are responsible for infertility in male. Now, reasons for female infertility. So first, this is given here: absence of ovulation due to hyposecretion of gonadotropic hormones. So gonadotropic hormones are secreted from anterior pituitary or adenohypophysis of brain, that is FSH and LH in case of female. So lower secretion, hyposecretion means lower secretion. So lower secretion of both these hormones reduces ovulation that occurs during the mid of menstrual cycle. This also means if there is no ovum, then there is no chances of fertilization. So this leads to infertility. There may be ovarian cyst formation. Cyst or tumor-like structure may formed in ovary, and this also prevents ovulation, that is release of secondary oocyte or ovum. There may be malfunctioning of fallopian tube or fimbriae. So if fimbriae is not functional, means this is not capable to capture secondary oocyte or ovum which is released by ovary at the time of ovulation, then there is no conduction of ovum into ampullary region of fallopian tube, that is the site of fertilization. There may be painful sexual intercourse. This may also leads to infertility. Early miscarriages may also be there. So what is miscarriage? We already discussed. This is loss of a baby before the 20th week of pregnancy. There may also be reproductive tract disease like gonorrhea and leukorrhea. Gonorrhea is very common in both human male and female. This is a disorder caused by bacterial infection, Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Leukorrhea is only for female, and in leukorrhea there may be thick whitish yellowish vaginal discharge. That is because of estrogen imbalance. The amount of discharge may increase or decrease due to vaginal infection. This may appear or disappear from time to time, but if this continues, this may cause infertility in female. There may be also malfunctioning of uterus, means uterus is not susceptible to implantation, or uterus may not supportive for implantation, or suppose implantation may be there but later on the further developmental activities may also not be supported after earlier support. Now about treatment of infertility, how infertility can be treated. So specialized healthcare units, that is commonly known as infertility clinics, etc. may also be there, could help in diagnosis of corrective treatment of some of these kind of disorders and enable the couple to have children. But suppose there is no treatment by these clinics, there is also further many more options for a particular couple if they are infertile to carry a baby. These special techniques called as assisted reproductive technologies, and by these technologies, that is ART, there may be maximum chances for a couple being fertile.